Halor ka jingkno jong ka seng saiñ pyrthei ka Voice of the People's Party ba ka sorkar ka lep menti ha ka bia dei bat ka mat ka ba ka tei ka seng ka dawa ban pensange pentrai kamya ka Reservation Policy ha po ka jela da ka ba ka rai ru ban sdang ka jingya ki lashai ka sngi da ka ba ansang ka lan mangor ha ka jaka yang kali ka badan ha Additional Secretariat ka sorkar jela ka la pentim ba yamanta ka sorkar ka la dep ban penkre da ki jing batai ba khambnya halor ka ta ka roster system ka ba boro kin shai halor ka jingtmu jong ka sorkar Umentri rangba ka jela Meghalaya o Conrad ke sangma habakran sikilat patay kubor ulaong. Halor ka di ka benta ka sorkar kan sa syongi ka jingyalang jong ka kunhun ki menteri sorkar lashai ka sngi bat kan sa donru ka jingyalang jong ka MDA ha ka khat pratarik bat jong ki seng saiñ pyrthei ha ka khat khandai tarik ujemmang arja arpulai.
See, we have told everybody that the government is preparing a very detailed presentation, and the presentation once seen, which I have seen a very initial presentation and a copy of it. Once the presentation is seen, I'm very sure everybody will be very clear as to what it is and everybody's doubts will be cleared. So therefore, we are going to have a cabinet presentation tomorrow evening, followed by on the 18th we are having a meeting with the MDA partners, and on 19th we intend to call all parties to discuss, and after that, since the civil society is very large, so to coordinate and bring everybody and create a space so that we can accommodate everybody, we will be doing next week for civil society, which includes NGOs or church leaders or different Rangba Shnongs. We intend to also reach out to everybody and share what exactly is the roster. The problem is that a lot of people don't understand what roster is actually. Roster is a very complicated, yet a very simple thing, but to understand it is slightly complicated. Political parties can say what they have to say. Government has to follow procedures, and the procedures will be followed in all aspects.